Welcome back to another video. Today we will be repairing Bruce from the McDonald's 2003 European Finding Nemo set. So, instead of the regular triangular security bit, Bruce uses precision Phillips head bits. So, unscrew all of those. And you can pull it apart. And we will want to take this piece out. Yep. And there are more Phillips head bits. Okay. And I have taken this toy apart previously, as you could tell. But your batteries will go inside of here. I guess you can't pull that out. Alright, well, just leave that in there. But you will have to use something like a flathead screwdriver or a little blade like this to pop the top of it off. So Bruce uses two LR41 screw batteries that you can find online. And then we could test it out. Come on. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you could see it or not, but there is a tiny red LED glowing. So now we can reassemble it. So let's see if we can get this little thing to stay on there. Probably don't even need it. I feel like this is just going to be getting in our way. Alright, I guess we'll be leaving the cover off. Snug all the screws back up. Test out our light again. And we could place it right back in here just like that. The tail goes just like that. And then you can rescrew the 3 screws. Now, because of the age of Bruce and the gasket inside, I do not recommend submerging him in water because you might destroy the electronics. But we now have a working Bruce. And when you touch your thumb or any finger on the bottom, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.